two cans, full wall, beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1, weight is on the left. Forward rock, shuffle, full turn right. Rock, step forward on right, recover on to left. Triple steps on right, left, right, making a full turn right, facing 12. Forward rock, 3/4 left turn shuffle. Rock step forward on left, recover on to right. Triple steps on left, right, left, making a 3/4 left turn, facing 3. Section 2, side together, forward lock steps. Step right to right side, step together on left foot, step, lock, step forward. Forward right, lock, step left behind, step forward right. Side together, lock, step back. Left foot to left side, step together on right foot, step back left, lock, step right in front of left, step back left. Section 3, back, lock, back 2 times. Right foot, back, lock, back. Left, back, lock, back. Shuffle, half turn right 2 times. Shuffle on right, left, right. Making a half turn right facing 9. Another triple steps. Left, right, left. Making a half turn right facing 3. Section 4, side rock, cross shuffle, right and left. Right foot, rock step to right side, recover onto left, cross, side, cross. Rock step left to left side, recover onto right, cross, side, cross. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2,